This video is going to be basically about how I sharpen my pencils. Like, I prefer to have my pencils sharpened with like a really sharp point. And I shave my pencils. I shave them down, so therefore I like a sharper point than a pencil sharpener. Like, for example, this is how the pencil comes already. It has like this point right here, and when you sharpen it, I mean, yeah, it gets straighter and more of a point. But me personally, I like to sharpen my pencils. So one, I do it really thin down here so that I have like a good grip, and it makes things looser for me. Like, let me show an example. Like, for an example, like with a regular pencil, yeah, to get it at that, I have to, like, hold it, make a straight line like this. But with this, I can get in there really tight and get in there straight. Like, I can get in there, but it's not as straight. I like it helps me like stay loose. And then with this, I can shade like on the side and all that. So I personally think it's easier. Well, for me, this is how I sharpen my pencils. Okay, so I like using F pencil. So my old F broke, so now I just put a kneaded eraser. Well, I always put like a kneaded eraser at the bottoms, because it's easier. Like, oh, when I'm ready, I can just peel the piece off, or I can just erase. But yeah, I'm going to sharpen this pencil, and this is how I do it. What you're gonna need, some sandpaper, just any kind of sandpaper, and you're gonna need a razor blade. So I'm gonna show you. This is a kind of old razor blade, but yeah. So here's the point, and then I probably start further down. So and the thing is, like, I'm holding this firm and I'm just moving the pencil up. So I'm the one who's moving the pencil. You just get in there and just start shaving. I'm the one I don't recommend you do this like that. I don't recommend you using. I recommend you pushing the pencil, because it's more, I don't know, it's safer. I mean, this is already dangerous enough, so let's not because if you do this, you're gonna either gash the pencil, you're gonna take a chunk out of the pencil, or you're gonna cut yourself. With this, you just push up. You just push up, push up, push up. You just gradually just shave it down. Okay, and you see how I'm starting to expose the pencil. So now you got to be extremely careful. This is literally all about patience. I usually shave mine to about an inch or a half an inch down to where it is exposed, where the lead is exposed. And you just go softly. You just keep that all the way. Like, this is literally, people might say that this is tedious, and oh, why don't you just sharpen the pencil? Well, me personally, I feel like when you sharpen a pencil, in a sharpener, yeah, it gets it nice and it gets it to a good point. But if it gets to a point where you don't like it, then you just wasted all that lead. Like, I don't know, me personally, I feel like you waste more lead with a pencil sharpener than this. Be sure to not to cut into the lead. And like I said, you want to do this softly, because if you're like rushing this, you're gonna break the lead, and then you're gonna have to start all over again, and then you shorten your pencil. It does take a lot of patience and for you to be really slow. It's time consuming, yes, but me personally, it calms me, you know. I just sit before I do a drawing or anything. I just sit and sharpen my pencil, get myself ready for, you know, the drawing that I'm about to do. I put my headphones in and I just, you know, just start shaving away. Like I said, this is, it's calming to me, and it's relaxing. You know, yeah. So you just take your time. You just start shaving up. And then I kind of get it kind of tapered a little bit. If you're wondering what I'm doing now, right now I'm kind of tapering it so that it fits in my hand the way that I like it. So you'll see me like just sitting here. Look at that. That's, just keep going until it's tapered the way you want. I prefer using a new razor blade instead of using an old one like I am right now. Just pushing. I don't recommend that. This is get it new. If you don't have a razor blade, I use razor blades because honestly they're cheap. Like, they're cheap. They don't cost a lot. X-Acto knives, they're expensive. They are expensive. Razor blades are cheap. You can go get like a pack of razor blades from like Walmart for like maybe $2. Maybe $2. But an X-Acto knife and the blades, it's expensive. So this is my cheaper alternative. You know, you can use an X-Acto knife, and with the X-Acto knife, if you have one, the X-Acto knife has like the triangle blade. So I advise you to like when you hold it like this, like, because you know X-Acto knives are like a pencil. When you hold it like a pencil, do the same. Just go up. You know what I'm saying? And just keep going. Just take that off a little bit right there. Alright, I think I got it the way I want. Alright, so once you got it shaved, this is when you take your sandpaper and you sharpen it. Okay, and then as I'm sharpening it, you see I'm twisting it. So it remains even. You keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Just turn. And you want to make sure you're doing this lightly. When you're turning like that, you want to make sure you're doing this like softly. Because if you don't, and you break this lead, I've broken quite a few. Just because I was just trying to hurry up, like, I'm just going to do this fast. Because, you know, it does get tedious, you know. But going fast, you're just going to break it. And that's it. You're going to be upset. Just keep going. Just keep going. And there you are. Sharp. It's not too sharp. You don't want it too sharp. And then that's all I do pretty much. And this is how I use all my pencils. I just sharpen it. Like some pencils have like a thicker lead. Like this one is like extremely thick. This is a what? This is a 5B. This is extremely thick. But you see, this one was like actually really smooth. This one is kind of smooth too. This one is what? This is 2H right here. But yeah, once you get it how you like it, then you're perfect. Like I say, thanks you guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any other questions or any other concerns or thoughts or any videos you would like to see from me, by all means, please drop a comment. And thanks for watching.